So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Buffs. Today we are gonna see 3 apps which will entertain you in this lockdown. And if you didn't like the previous videos, please like, share and subscribe. Now let us move on to the first app. The first app is nothing but a YouTube alternative, but it is the best. This app is known as NewPulp. You can install it by checking the link in the description. Once you open it, you can open your favorite video. For example, let me open Yelgar here. Now, let me show you some of the features which you get in YouTube Premium starting at Rs 129 per month. For example, the background play option. This can be used to play YouTube videos even if your phone is locked or when the app is closed. This is one of the features that YouTube Premium contains. The next one is the download option. The download option is also available in the YouTube app, but it really gives you a limited number of options. But in this app, you can download the video from 360p to 1080p. It can also be downloaded in MP3 format. The next feature is the picture-in-picture. The picture-in-picture feature allows you to open the video in small size even if the app is closed. It is also known as the pop-up. Now let me close the pop-up. If you have subscribed to a lot of channels on YouTube, it is not easy to subscribe each and every one again on NewPulp. For that, NewPulp has a feature to import the subscriptions from YouTube. So just click on that link and it will redirect you to another link which will automatically download a file called subscriptions_manager. Now go to NewPulp and click on import file. Then go to the download folder and select the file which you downloaded. Now click on the OK button to import. This is a very safe method and never destroys your privacy. As you can see here, all my subscription has been imported. Now, let us move on to the next app. The next app is nothing but a cool entertainment app in which you can watch movies, listen to songs and even play games. For installing MX Player Pro, check the link in the description. Now, I am installing MX Player Pro online version. After installing it, you can see that you have to allow some permissions. This app has some cool features like dark mode and file transfer called MX Share. In MX Share, if another person has MX Player Pro, you can easily transfer the files with the speed rate of 50 Mbps. Let me move on to the next feature. Next is the equalizer in which you can enhance your sound experience. Now we go to the entertainment section. Here you can watch exclusive movies and TV series for free. And it also gives you the Sunnext movies which has to be paid through the Sunnext app. The other feature is that you get the Ghana songs here and you can even download it. The next one is you can play games. These games are really light but truly interesting and awesome. You should really try these games. As said before, MX Player Pro also has other features and you can even play offline movies here. This app is available in the Play Store for 372 rupees. Now, let us move on to the next app. The next app is the one which everyone is going to love. This app is called CineHub. In CineHub, you can watch all the movies which you have in Netflix and Amazon Prime for free. Now let me go to the movies section. As you can see here, there are a variety of options. If you want, you can go to the search bar and type the movie which you want and watch the movie in HD with the captions. Now let me open Annabellum here. When I'm playing the movie, you can see here the quality of the movie is really too clear. Now let me select the subtitles and choose the English version. Now after I'm selecting the subtitles, I can show you some of the other features to select the quality of the movie and select the resolution of the video. Now when I'm playing the movie, as you can see here, the subtitles are perfectly synced and has no errors in it. Now let me show you how to play TV series in this. As you can see here, there are a variety of options and you can try whatever you want. You can also download the series if you want, but I don't prefer downloading. Now let me choose the 13 Reasons Why and go to season 4 and play one of the episodes to see whether this app is working or not. I'm going to season 4 and playing the second episode. When I'm playing the episode, there are a lot of subtitles and I'm giving the English version. As you can see here, the same quality and resolution feature is available. When I'm playing the movie, the subtitles are perfectly synced. This is one of the best apps you can use, but the problem is it only contains English movies. But this app allows you to watch movies which is equal to a Netflix subscription of $199 and a Prime subscription of $129. Try this app and mention your reviews in the comments. A lot of developers are working on the updates, and if you want the latest update, please mention in the comments. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, share and subscribe. Thank you.